Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 720 BT headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV. This is the Sony Smart TV that has a Google TV. So first thing is, let's go ahead and put these in the pairing mode, okay? So these are currently off here, or these are currently on. And look at the right ear cup here. You just have this power button, okay? So mine's currently on. I see like a blue light here. Let me just turn them off first. Let me press and hold that power button for about 4 seconds. It just said power off. Okay, now it's off. Now I wanted to put this in pairing mode. Once I put it in pairing mode, I'll know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking blue, 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 okay? So power button here, I'm gonna press and hold, ready, set. They're currently off. Now I'm gonna press and hold, ready, go. Hold it. Power on. It says pairing, and now there's the blue, 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 blue. So it's in pairing mode. Now we gotta hurry up and go to the TV here, and we need to go to the settings. If you have a settings button in your remote, you can click on that little gear icon. If not, you can just go look on the TV, just click on the home button, go to the home screen. You can see the gear icon, the settings icon up there. So you can navigate that way. We're gonna move all the way over to the right. Make sure that the gear icon is highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. Then we're gonna go down to remotes and accessories. Right there, click on OK on the remote. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go down to pair accessory right there. And as soon as we do that, it's searching for devices in pairing mode near me, and this is near me, and it's blinking blue, 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 and it should find it. And there it is right there, the JBL Tune 720. So I'm going to go down, highlight it, OK on the remote. It says pairing. I'll get a Bluetooth pairing request here shortly. Bluetooth pairing request, make sure pair is highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. It says pairing. It just said connected on here, and just switch audio to JBL 720 BT. So we're connected, and you can see the volume working right there as well. Anyway, we're connected, ready to go. If you had issues connecting or pairing or some kind of issues with the headphones to the TV, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description.